Lobatan o, àwọn Fulani ti tú àṣírí ara wọn. Wọ́n ní àwọn làwọn ní kí Tinubu bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbi tí Buhari ti dúró. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jà rìnrìn rèé o, níbi tí Galadima ti ní wípé kí ààrẹ Tinubu má blame Buhari fún bí Nàìjíríà ṣe bàjẹ́ yìí o, wípé Tinubu fúnra rẹ̀ ti sọ kó tó dórí ipò wípé ibi tí Buhari ti dúró lòun yóò ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Eléyìí ló fi wá mú kí àwọn Fulani fi wá dáhùn wípé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, àwa la ní kí Tinubu bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbi tí Buhari ti gbé dúró. Ló bá tán o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, nǹkan tá à ń sọ rèé o. Tá bá ní pé ẹ gbàgbé wọ́n Nàìjíríà àwọn kan máa ní pẹ́nu wá ń rùn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tá bá ń pariwo pé Yorùbá nation àwọn kan máa ní pé ká gbẹ́nu wa dákẹ́. Ṣẹ́yìn náà ti rí báyìí, a ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀, a dẹ̀ ti sọ wípé àwọn Fulani yìí wọn ò fẹ́ nǹkan tó dáa fún ìran Yorùbá. Ní báyìí gbogbo wọn wá ń pariwo wípé àwa gangan náà la wà ń díẹ̀. Àwa la ti sọ olórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ní gbogbo wọn ti ń pariwo pé àwa la ní kí Tinubu kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbi tí Buhari gbé dúró. Ní báyìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, nǹkan tá a ti ń sọ nìyẹn o. Wọ́n ò ka ìròyìn fún yín kẹ́yìn náà lè gbọ́, àmọ́ wọn ò kà ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Bá ṣe ń kà lọ, wọn ò máa ṣe ìtumọ̀ rẹ̀ fún yín bí a bá ṣe ń kà lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe rí o. All right, my brother, my sister, you are welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Tinubu can't blame previous government because he already promised to build on Buhari's failures. This has been said by Galadima. Well, onto this one, Galadima also noted that it was possible for his party, NNPP, to merge with other opposition parties if they were willing to support the same candidate. Well, onto this, a chieftain of the new Nigerian People's Party, NNPP, Galadima, has berated the current administration of President Bola Tinubu for blaming the past government of Muhammadu Buhari for the current socio-economic challenges in the country. Well, onto this, the NNPP party chieftain said during his interview with Sun newspaper, saying that Nigerians should not complain of the hardship in the land after shunning advice and then voting for Tinubu's All Progressives Congress APC during 2023 general election. Well, he said, and I quote, "I don't want politicians to do blame game. Of course, everybody knew that Buhari has destroyed this country in so many facets, but especially the economy and the security, everybody knows that it is not news. But equally, Tinubu has told us that he was going to build on what Buhari left behind. So that is the only promise he made, that he was going to start from where Buhari stopped. He can't blame Buhari. He has already taken responsibility for what Buhari has done." He added, and I quote, "I will die in fighting for stopping the creation of state police. In fact, I intend to go to the National Assembly personally because for the last 46 years I have been fighting the issue of the creation of state police. I just want to give you one example. Just take a particular former governor in Plateau as governor, and then there is state police. Can anybody, any tribe apart from his Bèrè, be allowed to live in Plateau, or can anybody, a religion outside his own, be allowed to practice their religion if that man has the control of a local police?" Galadima also noted that it was possible for his party, NNPP, to merge with other opposition parties if they were willing to support the same candidate. Well, onto this one, Galadima had made it clear that Tinubu can't blame previous government because he already promised to build on Buhari's failures. And then this one had been said by Galadima. And a lot of people onto this one have started reacting in different forms. In fact, I was getting a lot of reactions, and then most of the Fulanis, when they reacted, they were like, yes, we actually made Tinubu to agree to our terms. Yes, we were the one that said it must start from where Buhari ended. Well, my brother, my sister, what do you have to say to this? This is exactly what we are talking about. That is why we have made it upon ourselves. And if anybody is still out there deceiving you that one Nigeria is the solution, or there is going to be a restructuring, that there is going to be a betterment of this country, then you are deceiving yourselves. That's exactly what we are talking about. That is why I have said it times to that number. The only solution is make them just divide this country. Yes, that's just the only solution. Division of this country is what is paramount right now. We have been saying it times to that number. We will continue to say it. We will keep saying it, because what is going on in this country is nothing to write home about. Right now, as we speak, all these so-called Fulani, what they are now doing is they are now going meeting all these politicians. Yes, they have now grown to the stage of meeting politicians, and then even ex politicians in this country, like the case of a man that just happened. This man and his friend, they were coming from a party. They were coming from a party, and before you knew it, one of the friends, they were attacked, and they buy the friend immediately. As we are speaking right now, this ex-commissioner is now being asked to pay the sum of 100 million naira. In fact, it's an ex-commissioner. Yes, he has been asked to pay the sum of the ransom of 100 million naira. Now, all these people are not going to relent. This one is just happening. It's a breaking news that just got to us not quite long. My brother, my sister, as we speak right now, all these so-called Fulani, they are everywhere on the street. You cannot say you want to travel now with your full chest. You cannot say you want to travel with all your mind settled. That's exactly what we are talking about. And it has never been like this. Where did we get all these kind of people? How did we get here? That's exactly what we are talking about. Look at what the Fulani people are talking about right now, that they prefer the life of a cow to the life of a human being. You can imagine. That's the next thing that is going on. No wonder they don't even care about human life. If one cow is being killed, the next thing, they are ready to buy about 1,000 people to replace that one cow. That is the kind of life they have. And you are telling us that we should stay in the same country, in the same zone with this kind of people. It can never work. So it's better we get separated. And the worst scenario is that this set of people, they don't even know where they belong. They don't even know where they come from. That's exactly another big deal right now. They don't know where they belong. They don't know where they come from. They are just there floating. It's only the good Lord that will help us. Yoruba nation is the solution, either they like it or not. And meanwhile, Chief Sunday Igboho had made it clear that everyone out there, most especially the ones that have made it upon themselves, they thought that Yoruba nation is finished, that Yoruba nation is no longer in vogue. Chief Sunday Igboho has sent a strong message that everywhere you must have put your singlet, your shoe, your Yoruba nation verse, you need to go and pick them, because henceforth this awareness is going to resume back. Yes, enough is enough. And as it stands, Chief Sunday Igboho is coming back very soon, either they like it or not. It's only the good Lord that will make this happen. Yoruba nation is the answer. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.